Most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they start the wrong thing and build the wrong way. Here's how to start a profitable business in 30 days, even if you have a job or if you're starting from zero. By the end of this video, I promise to give you the 9tofreedom.life 30-day freedom plan. I'll tell you how at the end of this video.
He's on fire!
Problem. People overplan and undership. Logos, websites, perfect ideas, no revenue. Step 1. Package the skill you're already being paid for. Leverage beats reinvention. Start with the skill you're already getting paid for to use at your job. If a company pays you for it, the market will too. This is leverage. Same skill, different vehicle. Everybody has a skill. Ownership is the upgrade. Step 2. Validate with YouTube how-to search. Don't guess what to build. Let the market vote. Open YouTube and type the following: how to, your job skill, or how to plus the result you deliver. And don't hit search yet. Let it autocomplete. Those are real problems people are searching right now. If you are searching for how to plus your skill, there's a demand. If not, tighten the angle. Examples: how to edit videos, or how to organize your finances, or how to clean driveways. You get the point? Step 3, sell before you build. Revenue validates, likes don't. Sell the first result, then improve the process. Your first client funds your learning curve. Okay, now here's what's in the 9tofreedom.life 30-day plan. Week 1, choose one offer from your existing skill. Week 2, find 10 people searching how to plus your skill. Week 3, close your first sale. Week 4, fix friction and repeat what worked. Your first 30 days is how to create money, not building an empire. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time for our toasty tip of the day. These are time wasters to avoid: overbuilding, waiting to feel ready, chasing 5 ideas at once. You don't need a new identity. You need a new vehicle for the skill you already have. In honesty, I hope you click that link to buy the book, 9 to Freedom. At the end of every chapter, I don't know if you can see this, there's a worksheet. This isn't just reading material. This is your blueprint to freedom. I do thank you guys for tuning in. There's a lot coming. I can't share it with you right now, but you need to stay tuned. I got a lot going on. Subscribe to the 9 to Freedom podcast every Thursday at 4 p.m. Share, subscribe, comment. I talk to everyone. And if you find that this information would help anyone outside of yourself, please share.